on bing.com. So again, what's a matter? A matter is any substance that has mass and occupies a space. Matter is any substance that has mass and occupies space. So a matter is any substance that has mass and occupies a space. Matters has atoms, like you can see in the structure. So material are formed from many substances, e.g. mixtures, those from living organisms. Materials are matters, like we have stone, bricks, matters, solid, liquid, and gas. We have 3 states of matter, which will be shown here. We have liquid, we have gas, and one more, which is solid. As you see here, the liquid will be shown here. This is the liquid. This is the gas. And one more, this is the solid. The solid. So a liquid has clear atoms, which won't be really like how the solid has it, which won't make it that thick and which won't make it that flat and watery. So we have important properties of materials. Important properties of materials. So we have materials depend of hardness or strength. Materials undergo change of state from one form to another. One more, heavy materials sink in surfaces. Heavy materials sink in liquid surfaces. Materials depend of hardness or strength. Heavy materials sink in liquid surfaces. Materials undergo change in state from one form to another. Lighter materials float on liquid surfaces. That's one point you have to state. Most materials which are ductile, malleable, and brittle breaks when hammered. Full stop. these are important facts that you have to know about materials. It is stated that materials depend on hardness or strength. Most materials which are ductile, malleable, and brittle breaks when hammered, like we have this. It can be broken when hammered. Yeah. So we have classification of matter, which I've already shown you, which is solid and liquid and gas, which I've already stated before about it. So when we talk about lighter material flows on liquid surfaces, we have like what's shown here. These are called rocks. The spelling of rocks is said like this. It's called rocks. Rocks can sink in liquid surfaces, like if we have the river, we have the ocean, rocks sink. So when we talk about all floating materials, all heavy materials that sink and float, it's actually showing like how rocks sink because they're heavy materials and they're solid. Now we talk about materials depends of hardness or strength. Once you talk about a molecule consists of atoms, which I said before: electron, proton, and neutron. Molecules consist of it, like when we talk about a table. A table is a molecule because it consists of atoms. Anything which consists of atoms is called a what? An atom or a molecule. Oh, sorry, I meant anything which consists of atom is a matter or a molecule. So this really helped you. As we say, a gas really takes space into the air, and a liquid doesn't really have much atoms because the atoms aren't really strong together. Like when I talked about the rocks, the atoms are held in together. They're all put and moist together inside the rocks, which is called a solid. So this, I'm sure, it differentiates some things, which shows you and also help you to demonstrate between an atom and a matter. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Make sure to like the video and make sure to hit the subscribe icon below. Bye.